November 1. Mag-ayos na tayo ng gamit. So we're going to Korea! Hey guys! And welcome back to another vlog. So today is November 1. It's currently 8:46 p.m. Ang flight namin would be 2 a.m. ng November 2. And ngayon, ang airport namin is sa Clark naman. Or we're going to Korea! Actually, it's been a while since I went there. I think halos 3 years na din since last time I actually traveled there. So I'm really excited. It's going to be with like the whole family. And we're just gonna pack up. Tapos alisin kami in a while. So yeah, come and join us to go to Korea! Hi guys! Tapos na yung immigration and stuff. Today is November 1. Time check is 11:38. Ito ang peeps. Say hi peeps.
Hi peeps.
Yes. So ngayon, punta namin yung gate namin. Pero magta-tom-toms muna kami. It's 11:52 p.m. At i-interviewin muna natin yung mga kasama kong mag-fly. So, hi sir. Ano pong name nila? So ano pong pangalan nila?
Ridge.
So ano po yung nilo-look forward niyo po sa Korea?
Yung weather.
Ay, Mao. So ano pong nilo-look forward niyo sa Korea?
Yung iba-ibang kulay ng leaves.
Kasi autumn na.
I love autumn. I've never experienced autumn in Korea.
Ay, Pao.
Backward. Look forward, backward.
Ano pong nilo-look forward niyo sa Korea?
Backward. Yung lugar, siyempre. Tsaka yung weather.
Ano yung nilo-look forward mo sa Korea?
Actually, wala akong expectation. Kaya sumasama lang ako sa inyo. Gusto ko ma-surprise, yan na lang. Parang Taiwan, yung wala kang ina-expect tapos parating mo, ay, ganito pala siya.
Ako, nilo-look forward ko yung pagbalik doon sa kung saan kami naglalakad before ni Mama nung nag-aral ako doon. Yan. Tsaka chicken and beer. Raw marinated crabs. Ganon. Spicy raw marinated crabs. So, ayun. Look at my nails. My nails is from Nails by Ken. Hi guys. Nasa loob na kami ng plane. It's 1:47 a.m. Hi guys. It's currently 5:29 a.m. I think paland na kami. Hi guys. It's currently 6:40 here at Incheon Airport. We got our Sims na. And we're going doon sa ng aming driver. So, dyan si Mama sa likod. Yeah, I'm glad to be back sa Korea after 3 years. So, yeah. Hey guys, we're finally here in Seoul. So it's currently 8:21 a.m. 8:21 a.m. pa lang pala.
9:21.
Mali yung orasan ko. So 9:21 a.m. here in Seoul. At maghanap muna kami ng food since hindi pa kami nakapag-breakfast. But here is our view. Yan. Ito yung outfit ni Kuya. Hindi siya ganun ka nilalamig. At ito ang outfit ko. May warmer pa ako niyan. Tapos makapal na jacket. Kasi nalalamig na ako. Fun fact, nag-Korean na kami ni Mama before para mag-aral ako like 3 years ago. Doon ko nalaman yung DJI Pocket 2. And actually, yun yung time na gusto ko talaga mag-vlog like 3 years ago. And I'm happy na kabalik na kami ng Korea and I'm using my DJI Pocket 2. Tawid tayo. Guys, asan tayo?
South Korea.
Gagi.
Papuntang Namsanggol.
Namsadong?
Namsanggol.
Namsanggol, Hanok Village. Naglalakad kami from kung saan kami kumain. It's 8 degrees but it feels like 5 if I'm not mistaken. Kasi malamig yung hangin. Mahangin. And I can't feel my face when I'm with you. Yes, but I like it. Diba? May mga bus station na yung upuan nila may heater. So yeah. Saan tayo tatawid? Doon? So yun. Excited akong mag-bus and subway soon. Yeah. So yun. Korea! Hi guys, we are here. Hello. First convenience store namin in Korea with bulldog and cheese and egg. Walang lasa yung cheese.
Siyempre. Ano lang yan?
For the stretch.
For the
Aesthetic.
views ng mga nagaan.
Hi guys! Wala yung cover nung fuzzy-fuzzy ko.
No?
Yung fuzzy-fuzzy ko nasa bag. Anyway, it's currently 5:30 in the evening. Kakain kami ng Dak Galbi. We're currently here at Hongdae. At nandito kami. Kakain kami ng Dak Galbi. Yung mga kasama ko. Wow! Nonchalant.
Ay, sorry.
And we are back. We ate Dak Galbi. We ate Dak Galbi and it was great. So ngayon, lalakad naman kami sa Hongdae going to Nike store.